is Jaxie99 and welcome back to another video, guys. Today is another episode, and today, guys, I am going to be doing my predictions for the 2018 Royal Rumble. The last time I done a predictions video, I think it was Money in the Bank. Definitely check it out if you want to. But we are going to talk about the 2018 Royal Rumble and what I think is going to happen. Let's go. Okay, so the first match we got, I'm pretty sure, is Bray Wyatt versus Matt Hardy. I think it's going to be a really cool one, guys, as it's two icons coming together. Two kind of creepy ones, you know, with the broken Matt Hardy now. And I feel like this could be a great rivalry for the future. But as they're doing it now, I guess we can talk about it. They've done this like kind of weird who's the creepiest over the past couple of weeks with the laughs and stuff, which I kind of see as pointless in my opinion. I feel like they should just be fighting and attacking each other like Braun, Kane and Brock, but that's what WWE is doing. So I think that as it's Matt's return for the Royal Rumble, I think Matt Hardy is going to get this one, as he is returning for WWE. Well, he's been here for almost a year now. He hasn't had that many wins, and plus he's now broken Matt Hardy, so we can see what's happening to him. But let's get to the next one. That was a bit weird. So the next one is like, I don't know, because it's hard, but if you don't know already, the Bludgeon Brothers, I think that's their names, against Connor and Victor. So as you can see, the Bludgeon Brothers have been winning over the past couple of weeks, defeating teams were like Zack Ryder, Mojo Rawley, Fandango and Tyler Breeze, and now Connor and Victor. I think they're just gonna demolish Connor and Victor, as I mean, they're the new hot tag team that's going around and destroying everyone. But yeah, I think the Bludgeon Brothers. Let's do this again. Let's hope it's better. Boom. Okay. So the next one is Enzo Amore versus Cedric Alexander. Sorry guys, my chair is a bit broken. You see what I done, Matt Hardy? Seriously, my chair is actually broken. I feel like Cedric, mostly because apparently Enzo was a bit ill and he's got the flu and stuff. Plus Enzo, no offense, he's not really a great champion. He's more of a better on the mic, and I kind of like to see where Nia and him go with the relationship in the company. You know, they're not actually dating. It's just for the Snapchat. Could you not please? But yeah, I feel like Cedric Alexander could take the title. But yeah, that's what I'm guessing. He's gonna do his little thing where he throws them here, knees them in the back, and then he's gonna get it. I don't feel like any distractions will happen. It's just gonna be that, and then we'll see what happens to the Cruiserweight title. I feel like the Cruiserweight title could be used a bit more better because the fans are not really appreciating the Cruiserweight division, in my opinion. The Cruiserweight division could have a better kind of style. I feel like they should have never gone to Raw. They should have just kept 205 or CWC tournaments once a year. That would have been really cool. But no, WWE decided to mess it up and do once every week. So yeah, let's get to the next one. Okay, so for the next one, if I'm sure, we got Seth Rollins and Jason Jordan against Sheamus and Cesaro. Now it's hard here, because I know the Shield are not gonna stay for long. You can tell, because Dean's injured. Dean's gonna come back saying, Seth, what have you done? You got a new tag team partner and all, and it's gonna be bad, guys. I know Dean is gonna do something. He might even turn heel, I'm not even sure. But I think they're gonna keep the titles for now. Seth, Jason Jordan, I don't know why he's the tag champion, but whatever. He's the first ever person to win the SmackDown and Raw now, I'm pretty sure. Is he? Should be the first for that. So yeah, that's what I think. And let's get to the next one. Mess these up, I swear. Then the next one is the Usos versus Chad Gable and Shelton Benjamin. I feel like, because it's a 2 or 3, that's what they've announced now, it's a 2 or 3 falls count anywhere match. So I feel like the first one's going to go to Usos, the second one's going to go to Chad Gable and Shelton Benjamin, and then it's going to be like more of a tie thing, like they're going to do something where it was kind of like last week, but they're all in the ring, and then one of the Usos super kicks Chad, and then Shelton does his power bomb, and then they both pin each other at the same time. Ref does that, and then neither of them kick out, and then it's like restart the match, and then Shelton gets like super kicked in the face, and then gets splashed, and then loses. So I feel like the Usos could carry on with the tag team reign. I kind of like how they're not giving it up straight away. But let's go to the next one. God, every time I keep doing that, it keeps getting worse. So then you got the tournament. I don't know what's happening for the tournament, but my predictions right now are so there's Bobby Roode, and then there's Mojo Rawley, there's Xavier Woods and Jinder Mahal. I think Xavier Woods is going to go through, and same with Bobby, and I think Bobby Roode will be the new United States champion. That would be great. I would love to see Bobby be champion. You know, he hasn't won a title since NXT, so I feel like it would be great if he had this opportunity. So Bobby Roode is the winner. So yeah, next one. I really need to stop doing that. It keeps hitting my back. Then you got Roman Reigns versus Samoa Joe. I don't know if this match is still going on because I watched Wrestle Talk and they said that Samoa Joe's injured, so he might not even be making it to the Royal Rumble. But if he is, that'd be great, and I feel like Joe can take the title off Reigns. So yeah, Joe taking the title off Reigns would be really great, as Samoa Joe was one of their greatest superstars for his debut for the whole year, as he defeated many, faced Brock Lesnar, got SummerSlam main event. I mean, he's done quite a lot. So if this match actually happens, Samoa Joe, I'd like to see him as IC champion. Let's get to the next one. Alright, we're back once again. My back is killing. Then we got AJ Styles versus Kevin Owens versus Sami Zayn. I feel like for this match, because it's a bit weird, it's a handicap, isn't it? So, let's do this. Let's do this. Kevin Owens pins AJ Styles, but Sami doesn't get the title. Only Kevin does. He gets the championship, and you'll see why later on. So Kevin Owens beats AJ Styles, surprisingly, yeah, I know. Gets the title, and that's my prediction. Sami Zayn does the haluva kick to AJ. Kevin tags in. Sami's like, what's going on? Pop-up powerbombs AJ, and then pins him and gets the win. So yeah, let's get to the next one. Let's go. We're back again. For some reason I'm addicted to doing that. Then we got Braun versus Brock versus Kane for the WWE Universal title. I'm gonna go my instincts, and I feel like Braun is gonna take it. For some reason, I just know Braun is capable of doing this. This is what's gonna happen. Brock Lesnar is gonna do an F5 on Kane. Does that? Brock gets up. Braun does like a power slam, so he picks him up and does a power slam. He does that 3 times to Brock. Brock rolls out. Braun gets Kane, does a power slam, 1, 2, kicks out on Kane, and then he does a sleeper, which he hasn't done in a while. He does that to Kane. Brock misses, gets the win. You'll see why for a rivalry later. Let's get to the next one. Okay, so then we got the Women's Royal Rumble. There's 30 women, and there's only like 23 women actually active in the company. So I feel like a couple of returns and surprises. Renee Young is gonna enter. What's it called? What is her name? She's from Sanity. I forgot her name now. If you know who I'm on about, she's from Sanity. She's got the black hair and stuff, and whatever. She's in Sanity. She's gonna enter. Ronda Rousey. Ivory. Oh, that was pretty loud, actually. Trish Stratus, Kelly Kelly, Beth Phoenix, That's about it. That's pretty much it. So, yeah. And final one. Then we finally got the Royal Rumble match, the main event. There's going to be a couple of surprise returns, I feel like. So, well, let's see what the outcome is. So, people who are going to, like, enter the Royal Rumble for the first time, I'm guessing. I feel like the debut is going to be Kenny Omega. I feel like he could debut. There's so many to choose from, but it's like, it's kind of a struggle at the same time because you don't know. Kenny Omega is going to debut, I know that. Maybe Sanity, the rest, like Eric Young and rest, like Killian Day and stuff. Alexander Wolf, maybe they'll debut. Andrea Ciel or Drew McIntyre, that would be great. They could debut for Raw. Well, not for Raw, but to the WWE main shows. But none of them are going to win. None of them are going to win, guys. Because I have two men who could win this. Shinsuke Nakamura or Sami Zayn. Not Raw. Not Cena. Not Reigns. Not Randy again. Just either those two. Shinsuke, because Kevin could possibly lose, and Shinsuke versus AJ would be awesome. We kind of saw a preview of that Money in the Bank. Sami, could be Sami versus Kevin one last time. If you don't know, they were a draw with 2-2. So that would be awesome. One last time. WrestleMania. Sami Zayn versus Kevin Owens. That would just be really cool. So, yeah, I feel like either one of those two would win. That would be a great match to see, guys. And, yeah. So, those are my predictions. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. My name has been Jax99, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye. Boop.